Kookmin University is taking the initiative in shaping the fourth industrial revolution through research, education, and industrial academic partnerships. Kookmin University was a participant in the 2018 pilot project for college innovation sponsored by the Ministry of Education. These achievements are the result of the university's hard work and dedication. The automobile-related R&D is the university's strong suit. We offer a program that integrates the Department of Automotive Engineering, Department of Automobile and IT Convergence, and Department of Software. Kookmin University is also making great strides in its work on humanoid robots, with the university being ranked 8th in the DARPA Robotics Challenge Finals held in June 2015. In 2017, we opened the Department of Information Security, Cryptology, and Mathematics and launched the Next Generation Cryptography Research Center with the support of the Ministry of Science and ICT. In 2016, Kookmin University was named a software-focused university, becoming the first Korean university to make coding a compulsory subject for all students. Opened in 2016, the 3D Printing Design Innovation Center developed Korea's first large-sized industrial 3D printers with the support of the Korean Intellectual Property Office and Korea Intellectual Property Strategy Agency. The hybrid device-based Circadian ICT Research Center, which is conducting ERC-related research, has succeeded in developing technology that enables the treatment of various diseases and side effects caused by the disruption of circadian rhythms. Such accomplishments has prompted us to engage in developing unmanned systems technology in partnership with the Korean Air Force and Agency for Defense Development. Launched in April 2018, Institute of R&D for the Defense UAS will serve as a hub for the project. In addition, Kookmin University is working with a global corporation GE to establish a joint research center to promote collaboration in diverse areas, including unmanned systems technology, robots, and sensors. By creating leaders who will go on to change the world, Kookmin University is setting a new standard for higher education.